Hi, welcome to my Artificial Intelligence course for beginners. In this video, we will cover the AI basics, that is, what is artificial intelligence and how do we make a machine intelligent like humans. Artificial intelligence has taken the world in a big way at this time. Wherever you go, everyone is talking about it. Everyone can see that the future belongs to it and to the people who know how to use it. So, let us find out what exactly is artificial intelligence. Human brain is the most intelligent thing on this earth. We can delve into science, art, practically everything with excellence. Artificial intelligence is incorporating human like behavior into machines. Machines are trained to show human like intelligence and to do the jobs which require human like intelligence. For example, the Google map informing you that your destination is 15 minutes away, or the self driving Tesla car. These are examples of artificial. Some advertisements on your mobile phone which use artificial intelligence. Now you will ask, how can machines be trained to show human like intelligence? This is done by the part of artificial intelligence called machine learning. Obviously, machines are learning here and they are being trained to do various tasks. Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that enable computers to make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. So, machines can make predictions, decisions, or whatever they are required to do independently. They can do it without any intervention from humans. We will understand this with the help of an example. How does a human being recognize an apple? It is round and it's red in color, right? When we see many fruits, for example, banana, apple, mango, etc., we can recognize an apple as we have learnt its properties. Machines learn in the same way. They learn the properties of an object or the attributes of an object and are able to identify it from these attributes. But a machine has to be given millions of images of apples so that they can recognize an apple. Apples of different sizes, different types, and different colors are shown to the machine. Only with the vast amount of data can they give accurate answers. So, guys, there are some basic differences between the way humans learn and the way machines learn. Firstly, machines need lots and lots of data, millions of images. When we see a boy, we can recognize that it's a boy, whatever the color of his skin, hair, eyes, etc. Even if he's covered in mud and very dirty, we can recognize that it's a boy. But a machine needs to be given millions of images of boys to enable it to identify accurately that it's a boy. It needs to be given extremely large amounts of data to enable it to identify patterns, attributes, and clusters. So then the machine becomes intelligent enough to make predictions and decisions and to do all the work required. Secondly, very large computational power is required for machines to learn. Since huge amounts of data are required to be processed, computers with very high power are required. Thirdly, solid algorithms are required which will analyze the data, identify attributes, patterns, and clusters. They need to make high level of computations and learn from them.